Here's how to get to free on TurboTax. It would be nice if there's one solid answer to that question. There are two answers, so at least that's only one more than one, right? Kind of depends on what product you're on. So if you go in the upper right, if you're on this screen, if you're just starting out and you're on that screen with the lady waving at you, we're going to get there here in a second. You could scrub through the video and try to find where that moment is, and I'll show you how to get to free from there. But there's two situations you could be in. In the price preview, if we look at that, we're going to be on some kind of product where we're not on free if you're on this video, and I'm on the do-it-yourself premium edition of TurboTax. So because I'm on a do-it-yourself version of TurboTax, I can just downgrade to free and I can keep my spot with all my tax filing. And so in the lower left, I see switch products and I see downgrade. When I click on that, I can downgrade to TurboTax Free Edition. And not everyone will be able to file free, but a good majority, or not majority, but a good amount of you will be able to. And then if you don't, you just upgrade to the next cheapest option when TurboTax says you have to upgrade. Yeah, all you have to do is click this button here at the bottom, downgrade to the free edition. Now, some of you, when you click that downgrade button, it says basic, which is not free. And the reason for that is because you happen to be on this Expert Assist version of TurboTax. So there's the do-it-yourself version, there's the Expert Assist version. So if you're on this one, which I'll just upgrade to the premium real quick, and you can see in my price preview, it does say, not do-it-yourself, but it says Expert Assist Premium or Deluxe. So for you guys, it'll say downgrade to TurboTax Expert Assist Basic. That still costs you money. That's not free. So for you to get back to free, you're going to have to clear and start over your return. That means you're going to have to clear all of the information you've put in to start over and get to the free edition. And so in the tax tools section, you will see a print center. So you might be able to save some of the information, whether it's as a PDF or just previewing it and screenshotting it, or maybe printing it out, something like that, so that you can see some of the information you put in, so that maybe you can still have it right next to you when you start filling out your return again. But as we go down here and click clear and start over, it's going to kind of warn you that you're going to start fresh. It's going to get rid of all your data, and you're going to have to put it all back in. So I'm going to say I want to clear it. Yes, I want to clear my tax data. That's how you get back to free if you're on one of the Expert Assist modes. And if you've been scrubbing through the video, then you might not even hear me because you'll probably scrub a little bit past this once you see this lady. But now, for anyone who scrubbed through the video, so this is the very beginning. And this, you're just going to skip past. You're not going to answer any of these questions. That's the trick to get to the free edition, is all of these are just for TurboTax to recommend you maybe a more expensive product. So we hit continue on that, and we say we're comfortable doing it ourselves. That's how we get on the do-it-yourself editions of TurboTax. We hit continue, and now they're going to recommend us starting for free, $0. Maybe we can't finish for free once we go through all of our tax situations, but we can all start for free. And so we start for $0, and then we start to answer the questions as it applies to us. Me personally, I filed my own taxes last year, so I'll click that one. Hit continue, and I'll be back on the dashboard again, but this time I'll be on the TurboTax Free Edition, not that Expert Assist mode. And then I'll be able to go through my taxes and hopefully file for free for some of you. Maybe you can't. Maybe you have to upgrade. I do have a 20% off affiliate link in the description down below. It helps support this channel, gets you 20% off any product you do have to pay for here on TurboTax. So you just click that, you log in, or you just create a new account if you're just starting. But that's how you can get to the free edition, whether you are already on one of the premium, deluxe, upgraded modes, or if you're starting over, you'd be on that page where she's waving, and you can just get to the free edition that way by kind of skipping those first questions. Hopefully that helps you guys. Hopefully, it helps save you some on the tax fees that you have to pay. Like I said, there is that affiliate link down there. You can get 20% off. So hopefully some of you are able to use that as well. That's how you can get back to free or get to TurboTax Free Edition.